The Government of India remains committed to promoting inclusive growth and sustainable development across all sectors of the economy. Over the past decade, various reforms have been introduced to improve transparency, accountability, and efficiency in the delivery of public services. Emphasis has been placed on the use of digital technology to streamline administrative procedures and enhance citizen participation. In particular, the Digital India initiative has transformed the way services are accessed, making them more accessible to people in rural and remote areas. Furthermore, schemes such as Jan Dhan Yojana, Aadhaar, and mobile banking have collectively empowered citizens by providing them access to formal financial systems. These steps have played a critical role in the reduction of poverty and inequality. The government has also prioritized education, health, and skill development to ensure that the youth of the nation are adequately prepared to face the challenges of the modern economy. In the field of education, the implementation of the new education policy aims to promote holistic learning and encourage innovation and creativity. Meanwhile, in the health sector, initiatives like Ayushman Bharat have extended free healthcare benefits to millions of low-income families, significantly reducing their financial burden. Another area of focus has been the infrastructure sector, with massive investments being made in roadways, railways, ports, and airports. The goal is to create a robust foundation that supports economic activity and boosts employment opportunities. Environmental sustainability has also gained importance, with numerous efforts underway to promote renewable energy, conserve biodiversity, and reduce carbon emissions. The shift towards solar and wind energy is a step in the right direction, aligning with global climate commitments. Additionally, programs aimed at improving urban sanitation, such as the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, have brought about noticeable changes in cleanliness and hygiene practices. These developments reflect the government's vision for a self-reliant and resilient India that is capable of facing global challenges while ensuring the well-being of its citizens. Active cooperation between the centre and the states, along with the participation of private enterprises and civil society, is essential for achieving these ambitious goals. With sustained efforts and a shared vision for progress, India is poised to emerge as a global leader in innovation, governance, and human development in the years to come.